Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Memory here. Thank you for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Guys, I just realized that I lost a whole introduction to this video and I'm just dancing here. I've got my earbuds on, but let's get into this cooking video. Hey, for 2 serves. So I've boiled my water already. Anyway, I had to remove my my ring because it keeps cutting off my videos. Anyway, so I was saying this packet comes with 2 serves, so I'm gonna cook both of them because I don't want to be cooking again tomorrow. I have boiled the water already. I'm gonna just put boiled water in there. Just to cover the noodles. And I'm still figuring out this kitchen, guys. A plate. And I'll leave it there. So I'll let those cook whilst I get my meat. So this is what I have. I've got cooked prawns. I've got my stir fry mix. And I've got my chicken, diced chicken. I think I'll move you guys to here so that you can see what I'm doing. Or maybe, let me see if I can just move this. Alright, something, I'm not doing this right. There we go. So I've got my pan. I thought I had everything organized here. I'll put this later. I'll just put all the chicken in there. not gonna do much of talking anymore, guys. I'm just gonna listen to my music and just follow the steps. It's very easy. Should take less than 10 minutes to prepare. Thank you so much, guys,
IXL is
for
helping
watching.
16 million students excel
I
in
hope
maths and
you
English. With
come back.
IXL, your
I hope you come back for yet another vlog and more videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe. My nails. Anyway, do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. I've got to love you and leave you. And Danny, Hannah, Atiba, I love you so, so much. And I miss you guys so, so much. Love, 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 love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Peace.